Yes, so let's get started. So this is the page. Let me tell you the materials that we require. We need poster colors, 12 shades, a brush, a plate, flat plate, and a water container. To start with, let us see what all colors we need. We need yellow for the butterfly, blue for the second butterfly, we need red for the flower, and we need purple for another flower. If we don't have any color, we'll try and mix two colors to make the color. For example, we don't have purple color here in the box. I'll tell you how can we make the purple color. So first step is we are going to take yellow color for our first butterfly. We are going to take out our yellow color in the flat plate with the help of a brush. And we are going to mix 1 drop of water to dilute the color. Make sure there are no lumps left. Mix the color well. Same way we are going to prepare all our colors. We need yellow, then we need blue, we will take out the color with the help of our brush, mix a drop of water and make sure that there are no lumps left in the color. Again, we are going to wash our brush. Now it's time for the third color, which is green. We are going to take out green color. Mix water. The fourth color that we are going to take is red. Mix water. Make sure you take fresh water every time. So we are done with the red color as well. Last but not the least, we need purple color. So I'll tell you how we can make purple color. We have to take a bit of blue and mix red into it. Mix the color well. And if you think that your color is quite dark, you can mix a drop of white into it. So this is how we get our purple color, mixing red, white and blue. So now we are ready with all the 5 colors that are required for our painting. And now we should start. Yes, so we have to take our right thumb, dip it into color, squeeze out the extra color, and we have to put the impression into the oval that is made. Let's repeat the process. So our first butterfly is done. Now we are going to wash our thumb into fresh water and wipe it with a cloth. Now it's turn for the second color. The second color of the butterfly is blue. So again we are going to repeat the same process. Right thumb dipped into blue color. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are done. The third color that we are going to do is red. So let's take red color. The same process. Dipping my thumb into red color. 1 impression, 2 impression, 3 impression. And now the flower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done with the third flower. Now we have to do the second flower, which is of purple color. So let's get started. Dipping my thumb, you can also use your fingers. This time I'm using my finger. Dipping my finger into purple color. Impression 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now it's time for the green color. Same way I'm going to use my finger to do it. I'll take my finger, dip it into green color. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the stem. Now I'll be taking light green. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we are done with our thumb painting.
So
I hope you had a great time learning this new technique of impressions using your thumb and your finger. So, your homework for the next class is you have to experiment with different type of impressions using leaves and flowers. Till then, happy learning!